I need to learn how to smoke a turkey really quickly before I ruin Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving isn't that far away, and I, since I work at Camp Chef, have been volunteered by my family to smoke this year's turkey, but I don't know how to do it. So I am going to try and recreate my uncle-in-law, my wife's uncle. He made the best turkey I've ever had. And so we're gonna give him a call. I wanna see if he can give me a few tips on a turkey virgin. Are you still recording?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that's, all right.
Hello.
Hey, Joe, how are you?
Doing good.
Good. Hey, thank you for doing this. This is awesome. I'm really excited to help share your turkey knowledge with the world. So I've been put in charge of my Thanksgiving turkey this year because you're not. I'm with my side of the family, not with you this year. But so can you walk me through with a turkey? What are the most important parts that I need to know when making a turkey?
So I think step number one is to brine your turkey.
Brining. Okay.
Brining it. So yeah, a cup of sugar, a cup of salt, lots of water, and then I use a cooler. So I mix all that together so it's all dissolved,
Awesome.
And then obviously put the turkey in and then cover it with ice.
Okay.
To make sure you keep
You gotta keep it cold. You don't want a warm turkey out there.
That's right. And then
Okay.
about halfway through, but I do it for about 24 hours, and so about halfway
Oh, dang.
through, flip the turkey
Okay.
in the cooler, add more ice, etc. So I think that's it's a noticeable difference if you don't do that.
I'm gonna go get a few things that he told me to get, and then I'll be right back. Okay? Don't go Mike, don't go anywhere. All right, I got some stuff. So he sent me a recipe with all the stuff that I needed to do for this brining part, so we can just go ahead and get started. So we need to boil some water first so we can start dissolving everything in here. So I'm gonna take this and put it on the sidekick over here. So he said that what you're gonna do, next thing we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna pull off this membrane. That's a thing I say apparently. So this is Southern seasoning rub. This is a cup of salt and a cup of sugar in here. This is rubbed sage. This is oregano and I forgot what that is here. Let's go over this one. I can't remember. This is rosemary and pepper. This is thyme, and this, it's nutmeg. That's what it is. It's nutmeg. I remember. It was not that long ago that I did it, but it's nutmeg. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna put this in the boiling water, then put that boiling water in the turkey, let it brine. 24 hours, he said. So, all right, so this is 4 cups of water. We're just gonna pour in the salt and the sugar. That seems like a lot into 4 cups. That means it's 2 cups. Holy cow, it's almost, oh, never mind, that's just the bottom. We're just gonna stir until it's all dissolved. And then, once it's dissolved, we add all the other tasty giblets in. How is that already dissolved? That was like 3 seconds. What the heck? Wow, this Camp Chef sidekick sure is powerful.
And now, a short commercial break.
The Woodwind Pro is compatible with the sidekick that attaches to the side of your grill for...
All right, what is the recipe? 1 cup of salt and 1 cup sugar. I add the poultry seasoning and some barbecue rub. Be generous here as this is flavor. Okay, so this right here is sage. We're gonna put in some sage. That's apparently in poultry seasoning. I Googled how to do this. Some sage, some thyme, rosemary, some pepper, some nutmeg, and some, I forgot what that is, honestly. Coriander, something, I don't know. We're gonna put in some more sage, because who doesn't like more sage? Special Southern barbecue seasoning. He says be generous here, as this is flavor, so there you go. And then we'll mix that up. Holy cow. And so this is also going to be the concentrate. So it's not going to brine just in this. We are going to go fill up this cooler with water with a turkey in it, and then this is kind of going to be the thing that we put on top, like almost like orange juice, the orange juice from concentrate. That smells incredible. We should probably get that out and start prepping that while it's boiling, huh? Yeah. Okay. The bird. Look at this guy. Oh, holy crap! How do you do it?
Should you be wearing gloves?
Oh, probably. I probably should be this whole time.
Do you even know how to cook?
No! you're gonna wanna take out this thermometer because this pops at 185 and your turkey's done way before that. You're gonna have overcooked turkey if you listen to that bad boy. So you're gonna take all the stuff out of here, like the little hearts and organs and things. They're delicious. I'm gonna save them for later. And then here is some gravy that was lovingly included. We're just gonna put these off to the side. And then we're gonna take this little thingy out. You're gonna take it, plop it right here in your cooler vessel. And then we are going to go fill this up with water, about halfway, and then pour in our concentrate. All right, Joe says to go fill it in with the rest of the stock. So we're just gonna pour it right in. So we're gonna put that in there, and then we're gonna hurry and throw, ooh, look at all that stuff. I wanna get all that in there. All right, and now we're gonna throw some ice in there. We wanna keep it cold while it's brining. We don't want it to get over a certain temperature. So we're just gonna throw a whole bag of ice in there.
Second step, once you pull it from the brine, is to inject. So I use butter and turkey stock.
Okay, well, I mean, that probably won't be bad. So it's the next morning, so we're going to inject it with some butter, is what Uncle Joe said. Nice. There's the salt, there's the sugar coming in at the end. Then I think that's all that we need to put in it now. Oh, and then we're gonna put in 2 cups of turkey stock as well. Boop. And boop. All right, that's probably good. We're probably good to go there. First, we need to dry off this bird as well. So we're just gonna hurry and pat this off. Make sure that we get all of it dry. What do you think? Should we dry off the inside? Or should we leave it? Yeah. Soak up all that turkey juice. We want to replace that turkey juice with butter. Now that's done, we're going to pour this little buttery turkey mixture right in here. And this is going to be our injection liquid. Dude, that smells so freaking good.
Can I drink it?
If you want, yeah. I mean, you probably get diabetes, but there you go. Here you go. Here, very carefully.
Oh, that's warm.
Yeah, it's warm. So we're going to take our little injector boy here.
Holy crap, that does smell good.
It smells amazing. Take the little injector. Oh. Boop. And then just inject it in. Oh, you see it bulging? Oh. I don't want to make too many punctures. So I'm just gonna go around this one part. Oh, do you see that just like fill up?
It's like a balloon.
It is like a balloon.
Oh.
And then after that, I drizzle a little of the extra injection over the top of the turkey, and
okay.
That's where you'll put your rub on. So
Gotcha.
whatever your favorite rubs are, that's the time to do that.
Hopefully Joe doesn't watch this and be like, he is ruining this turkey. We have this poultry mix that it's the same one I mixed up yesterday. I'm just gonna put it all over the place and just go next and sprinkle it on. Just nice and beautiful. Wow, incredible. And then we're just gonna season underneath. There you go. Ha! Very nice. I cannot handle. Boom, we'll throw some salt on it. This probably should have gone on first, now that I'm thinking about it.
All this dripping right here?
Yeah.
What if you put that inside the cavity, like your uncle said, to steam inside? Would that work, or is that stupid?
But we're just gonna throw some of this southern seasoning on to make it a little bit more of a barbecue turkey. I don't think having too much seasoning is a bad thing, to be honest. At least on the outside, because there's a lot of meat in there that's not being seasoned, so seasoning the outside doesn't seem like a bad thing to me a lot. This bad boy's preheating behind me. It's at 225 already, so that's pretty nice. So we're just gonna throw it on in and get it smoking. Put that in there, boop. And I think you're supposed to like tuck this wing up underneath or something like that. Yeah, that looks good. And then we're gonna try this, Mike. Let's take all this. This stuff can't be bad. It's just like butter, turkey, seasonings. We're just gonna throw it in here, let it steam. I don't know. We'll see if it works. If it doesn't, it's all your fault, Mike. Boop. We're gonna keep it in there until the breast meat registers 165. We're gonna come back, spritz it a few times with apple juice about every hour or so, and then we'll come back when it's done. Sound good, Mike?
Sounds good.
Cool. All right, so it's been 6 hours, 13 minutes, and 19 seconds since we put it on, at least since I started it. And so I spritzed it a couple times, but this should be one of our last ones. We're at 153 right now, so we're about a little less than 10 or 12 degrees away from when we need to pull it. So it'll be maybe another hour. But I'm just gonna open it up, give it the old 1-2 spritzaroo. And that way, look, we're getting some good color on that. You can see the red down here on the wing, on the leg there. Looks tight. Freaking love turkey, dude. We'll come back when it's about, 163 degrees, and then come see how it is. And I'll go pick up my spritzing bottle. I was legitimately trying to make that look cool.
Just pull it off at the right time. So remember, it will keep cooking a little bit. So maybe pull it off at 163.
Okay.
And when you're letting it rest, it'll come up to 165.
Awesome.
So that you don't overshoot the white meat and dry it out.
Gotcha. Okay. Well, awesome. Well, hey, I don't want to keep you too long. Thank you for bestowing your knowledge. And I'll let you know how it goes.
Okay.
Hey, thanks,
Appreciate
Joe.
it, Kyle.
Hey, we'll see you later.
Talk to you later.
So we have it reading about 163, and so we're going to take it off because it's going to continue to cook, Uncle Joe says. So we're going to take it off, throw it on here, we're going to let it rest, and then we're going to cut into it, see if I ruined Thanksgiving or not. Oh, it smells good. Look at that. Sheesh. So we're gonna take some tin foil. We're gonna just pull over this turkey. Is there a, oh, it's on some of it. Okay. You have to go from this side. Look at that. So we're just gonna cover it, let it rest for a few minutes, and then we're going to come back, cut into it, see what we did. We're ready to cut into the turkey. We're going to see how it goes, all right? See if we ruin Thanksgiving, Mike. Okay, we good? You want to be up close, Mike? Or you want to?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Oh, look at all that juice. Do you see that?
Yeah, man.
Woo! Okay, so you got this, and then I want to find this, kind of cut along the bone here. Is that looking good, Mike?
Smells good.
It smells incredible. Look at that. Look how the juices are flowing on this bad boy. I might have missed a little bit there, but that's all right. All right, let's try it. Look at all that juice, dude. You see all that? Woo. Woo. All right. I'm gonna give it a bite. You ready? I mean, that's good, man. Oh! We did it, yeah! Woo! So all things considered, for my first turkey, I'm actually pretty proud of this. I am not, a professional chef, but this turkey, I would be more than happy to serve my family at Thanksgiving. If you want to see more videos, like, subscribe, comment, share, let me know. What turkey tips would you give me? What would you say that I did wrong? What would you do better? Let me know, comment. And until next time, I guess I'll see you later. I'll just take my turkey and leave, huh? Peace out.